Hello, my name is Vincent Nemimana, co-founder and CEO at miklalife.com. According to UNESCO, for every 2 weeks, a local language is lost. And along with it, culture and heritage traditions are gone. And people that belong to those cultures, to those heritages, are lost forever. Additionally, across the world, there are still patches, instances of cultural intolerance, hatred and violence among cultures. Tribalism is common across Uganda and Africa, and even across the world. There are so many instances of massive violence when cultures can no longer take in others, can no longer understand others. And we are putting a stop to that and solving it amicably in the 21st century. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Culture Unity, cultureunity.com, our culture-focused innovation that is solving two problems at a go: the loss of local cultures and languages, and the patches, the instances of intolerance and violence and hate among cultures. How does it work? When you sign up at cultureunity.com, you choose the culture of your choice, your culture, your local culture. The platform gives you the opportunity to develop your culture locally with your tribesmen in your own space. And then there's an opportunity to spill over your culture and traditions to the rest of the world, to the rest of the cultures, thus reducing the friction, the intolerance, and understanding, disrespect among cultures. It doesn't matter how you celebrate your culture, the platform gives you that. Music, dressings, and attire, through your symbols, through your language. You speak local language in your space. You type, you write, you share in your own local languages. And then an opportunity to share all of that, who you are, your language, your traditions, your foods, your attires, your music, to the rest of the world, to the rest of the cultures, as they do the same, making you enjoy and celebrate diversity and inclusion when you actually know who you are in the mix. That's the point. Why am I passionate about this? I respect my tradition, where I come from. As I move forward into globalization and modern times, I always love it to know where I come from, to know where I belong. The language, the deepness, the sweetness of it. When I look at our children and think of the possibility that they may actually not know the language of their fathers, the language of their mothers, the heritage where they come from, fail to trace who they are in the mix of cultures, it scares me. Really, nobody in this world wants to have a day when they can't trace back who they are. This is important. Diversity and inclusion are interesting and celebrative when we know who we are in the mix. It's called cultureunity.com. That's how we are solving two problems at a go. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.